Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how to see friend request on Snapchat. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your Snapchat. So after opening your Snapchat, make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Here you can see this is my account and I am currently logged in. So in order to see friend request on Snapchat, what you're going to do is tap on this particular button right here on the top right corner. And after tapping on it, here you will be able to see three dot bar on the top right corner right here. Tap on it. And then you can see three different options. Friend request I've ignored and friends I've recently added. If you tap on friend request I've ignored, in here, you will be able to see the friend request that is sent to you and that you have ignored. But if you tap on friends I have recently added, here you will be able to see the friend request that you have sent to people. And just like this, you can check the friend request in Snapchat. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.